Good afternoon from the beach club. So we are here for a quick one-night stay. I don't remember the last time we stayed here. It's been a little while. I think we were here sometime last year.
Was it last year?
It was last year, yeah.
Or
I think we were here.
Ago?
I don't know. But we're back. We are here at the Villas. We are in a one-bedroom this time, which we have not been in before. Pretty sure we were in a studio the last time we stayed here. So we are very conveniently close to EPCOT. We're probably going to run over before the park closes to maybe watch Harmonious. I'd like to look at some art as well. Yeah. So that is the plan. We have dinner at Beaches and Cream, so we're heading over there now. Yeah, it's soon. But we did already film a room tour, so we're going to put that in right now. Welcome to our one bedroom at the Beach Club Villas. So first up we have a closet over here on the left. Just your standard coat closet, pretty big. And then of course a table right here in the entryway with a mirror. Got all of our fun beach artwork throughout. And then since this is a one bedroom, we do have the living room space. So we have a nice dining table that looks like it seats about 3. We have our little Mickey plates they made for us, which reminds me of Garden Grill. And then here is our kitchen. So you have the full-size refrigerator, oven, stovetop, microwave, toaster that you always have. They of course provide all of the utensils, dishes, glasses, anything you may need, since it is fully equipped for cooking with a dishwasher. And then of course your kitchen sink. Then we have the pull-out couch, which these rooms have definitely been refurbished, because I remember, well, we've stayed in the Beach Club Villas before, but I stayed in a Beach Club Villa years ago, and that pull-out couch wanted to kill me. It was not comfortable. Oh no. But they've changed them, so good news. Yeah. That's cool, yeah. So yeah, you can definitely tell it is a little bit more modern. They have like the fake wood flooring, so it is nice. I love like the pale blue accents. Oh, this is cool. So you have a little like countertop to sit at, so you can seat 3 at the table and then 2 more here, which makes sense because the room sleeps, I guess 4, because this one does not have a pull-out chair. Typically they have a pull-out couch and chair. Then we have our balcony here, which looks out at the quiet pool. So of course you have Stormalong Bay over at the normal part of the resort. This is the pool for the villas. And then
it looks cool because like we're like on top of whatever.
Yeah, it's like a big balcony down. Yeah, we'll go out there afterwards. Then the actual bedroom. So I think this closet right here is probably washer and dryer. Yes. So you can do your laundry. Here is the shower. So it's a split bathroom, which is kind of nice. You have this part which just has the sink, the shower, and then a room with the toilet. So I mean this bathroom kind of has all of it, but then in addition to it, and there is a sliding door here, you go into the other part, which has a second sink and the tub. So I mean it's kind of a weird...
And a big closet.
And a big walk-in closet with your laundry basket and the safe. So it's a little strange having just the tub with a sink, but...
Used to like, I feel like there should be like a peekaboo.
Yeah, all the one bedrooms tend to have it like open here looking into the bedroom, and this one's closed off, which is interesting. Still a nice tub, but I guess it's kind of nice because if you have somebody, you know, going to the bathroom or showering, somebody can be brushing their teeth or whatever. So you do have 2 sinks, which is still nice. And then the bedroom, which has another Mickey waiting for us. Some more beachy artwork. And then of course, the nightstand on the right has some USB ports and outlets. And then there's a desk on the left with more outlets and USB ports. A nice mirror. We have a chair in here as well. And then of course, all of your storage for clothing and such with your flat screen TV. And a second balcony. So the Beach Club Villas are... honestly, it might depend on the floor you're on, because I'm looking across at the other half of the building and it looks like the floor below us has bigger balconies, but we're on the 4th floor, so they're little separated ones. So this is another small balcony that's completely closed in and separated from the balcony from the living room. So a little bit different than some of the other villas where you get like a big long balcony. You just get two smaller ones here. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, we'll go outside and look at our view. So here's our view from, we're on the living room balcony. So There is the quiet pool down below us. You can see the bathrooms. It's very low-key. I don't think this one technically closes. I mean, we've walked through it many times. I don't think I've ever actually gone in that pool. But there's no bar or anything, so if you want, you know, all of the activities and the food, Hurricane Hannah's and everything, that's all over at Stormalong Bay. But you can see kind of straight back the entrance with the tall windows. That's the breezeway, so that takes you over to the lobby area of the Villas building to get back over to the main part of the beach club, which you can see in the distance. Easy way to tell them apart is the Villas are green and beach club itself is blue, so they are different colored buildings. But yeah, we have this really weird balcony below us, which I would have said, oh, maybe it's like a giant balcony for a grand villa, but there's this weird part in the middle.
It's like the timeout zone.
It's like the strangest thing I've ever seen.
It's like a little like dog pen.
And I don't see any more of them, so I really don't know what's going on here.
I guess they can decide what to do.
It is a balcony. You definitely get more space if you're in whatever that room is.
It's a huge one, and then this does too.
They're strange, but you don't get like extra seating. It's just yeah. I don't know, but yeah, this is kind of what I was talking about. If you're one floor below us, unless you're at this weird corner one, you can see that one's probably a one bedroom as well that has a long balcony with 2 doors. So that's kind of the typical layout for a one bedroom, but you know, I don't have a problem with our 2 separate ones.
I don't know, because the one next to it has...
Oh yeah, I guess it really just depends on what part of the building you're in. It's very randomized.
They did it random, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the room's super nice. I like that they refurbished it, and we're gonna go down to dinner at Beaches and Cream. But now we are off to dinner. We've been to Beaches and Cream before. It's super casual, it's really good, it's cheap, so it's a good option. It's just really hard to get, so we figured this was the time to do it. So we're gonna head over there, have a good dinner, and then yeah, it's cold, so
oh my God.
I think we're gonna go to EPCOT and walk around for a little bit. We may not be there long because it's cold. Definitely not a day to swim, but but still a good day to be here.
The hot tub looked tempting, but getting
steaming.
out of the hot tub, I don't think I could do that.
No, it would not be enjoyable. So yeah, we're gonna head over. We have to go back into the main building, back by Stormalong Bay, and go to Beaches and Cream. We may have to get ice cream. I feel like that's a requirement.
Yeah.
We are all checked in for dinner, waiting down here by Beaches and Cream. But Stormalong Bay is empty, so it tells you it must be cold out. It's like 50 degrees, so it is pretty freezing. But Yacht Club's under refurbishment of some form. It looks like they're repainting the facade, but you can see the steam coming off of the water because the pool's heated. There's just nobody here. There's like a total of maybe 10 people in Stormalong Bay right now, which is crazy. I'd love to be in it. I mean, I love Stormalong Bay, but not right now. I don't think I would ever want to get out because immediate death.
It's freezing.
It's too cold for swimming, but good for the people that are willing to brave it. We are seated here in Beaches and Cream. Here's a nice look at some of the artwork in here. Flooring, the vibes. Very beachy. It looks very different if you haven't been here in recent years because they did refurbish it. I think right before the pandemic they expanded it. But we just ordered. It's been really quick so far. We've only been here for like 2 minutes. But I got the Reuben sandwich.
And I got a French dip. I wanted to get the Reuben, but I knew you were going to get the Reuben and I wanted to get something different.
Well, the Reuben sounded interesting and I've never had it. I've had the French dip before, so I want to try something different. Maybe we'll do half and half. We'll see if you wanted it that badly.
Okay.
I don't know, they're both good, I'm sure. Well, we'll see. I haven't had the Reuben, but I'm sure it'll be good. Here's a look at the food. So here's my Reuben, it looks delicious. We got sides of ranch for our fries. Really it does look good. And then your French dip looks good too. Comes on like a huge roll with the crispy onions, those are always good.
There's a pickle over here too.
I have a pickle too, I love pickles. And they're gonna be good pickles because they're deli pickles. So we couldn't come to Beaches and Cream without getting dessert. So we're sharing a 3-scoop sundae that's butter pecan ice cream with hot fudge, whipped cream, cherries, and almonds. It's massive. I'm glad we didn't attempt to get a 2-scoop. Like I was gonna get a 2-scoop by myself. And like this is massive.
No, I couldn't do anything by myself.
No, but their ice cream's really good here, so I'm ready. We stopped in the Beach Club Marketplace on the way back to our room. So I want to show some of the Beach Club merchandise. So they have this fun Beach Club Tervis tumbler. And it has Mickey on it. There is some artwork. Got the pirate ship slide from Stormalong Bay. Have a Beaches and Cream which it may just say Beach Club, I think, on it, but it's like a little ice cream ceramic bowl. Then they have, for the 50th, Vacation Club, not Beach Club specific, but all the Vacation Club resorts have the new iridescent 50th Spirit jersey, but it's a DVC version rather than saying Walt Disney World. And there's a matching hat. And I don't know if anything back here is Beach Club. It's all, I think, just generic stuff. Oh, that's cool.
I remember I was trying to look for a beanie like a month ago.
Yeah, because it's cold out. Oh, there's more Beach Club. So we got a robe with the logo. There's a Beaches and Cream shirt. And just a plain Beach Club shirt. And then it looks like a pullover. A really lightweight hoodie, which is super nice. A towel. A women's shirt. Beaches and Cream hat. And then that looks like a women's shirt as well, because it's an extra small. This, I think, is the kids' shirt. Every day is Sunday. And I think that's everything. That's gonna be it for our stay at the Beach Club. It was another good one. Always a fun time staying on property. Beaches and Cream was tasty. Ice cream was really good, like always. That was a requirement. We did end up going over to EPCOT. We weren't there very long, so I didn't film, but
Yeah, I don't think we filmed
we bought some art.
We did buy some art, which I'm very excited for.
Yeah, and then we saw Harmonious.
Yes, we did that. One of these days we will see it from straight on.
Yes.
From like the beginning of World Showcase, like what is it called? Port of Entry?
Yeah, like between World Traveler, like by the stores up by World Traveler.
Yeah.
That's like the best view of the ring, and we've never
Yeah, we haven't,
taken the time to
like,
stake out a spot.
Yeah, exactly. So one of these days we will, but yesterday we were just kind of off to the side.
Yeah, it was a weekend. We want to go like middle of the week in the low season and get a good
Yeah.
spot. So yesterday that was not our plan. It was cold and we weren't there very
Oh my
long.
God, and it's cold right now. It says it's 46 out.
Yeah. Cold for Florida.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is it for our stay at the Beach Club. We will have more coming up. Oh, we actually have one next weekend.
Week, yeah.
After next weekend, I don't know when our next one will be. We haven't scheduled them yet, but I'm sure we'll have stuff later in the year. We will be at Copper Creek at the Wilderness Lodge next week. So definitely subscribe if you want to see that. As well as next Friday, we will be going to SeaWorld for the like special event preview of Icebreaker.
Yeah.
So another new ride opening up in Orlando. So definitely take a look at that video because we're excited for something new to ride. But give this video a like if you enjoyed our room tour of our one bedroom, our dinner at Beaches and Cream, and just our stay here at Beach Club. But that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys the next time we go to Disney and beyond.